Hello everybody, this is Vigoda, and I'm making this quick little troubleshooting video because I ran into an issue after a Windows update. Not sure if that was what was to blame, but the symptoms were when I was streaming on Twitch through the Streamlabs OBS, my audio sounded far away and choppy. I couldn't figure it out looking through Streamlabs OBS, so I did a little investigations. All right, we're going to go to the bottom right here. We're going to right click on the sound icon. We're going to go open sound settings. We're going to go click over here on the top right, sound control panel, and on playback, let's see, no, recording. That's the problem. For whatever reason, the microphone was set as a default communication device. No good, because the sound through the webcam sucks. All right, so I went over here and found my microphone, which is the Blue Yeti. I right clicked, and on here it said make default communication device. I did that. Also, while you have it highlighted, click on properties, go all the way down to advanced, and this was 44 1000 hertz, so that's caca. We want the 48,000. Boom. I hit OK, everything's done. I went in Streamlabs OBS, confirmed the Blue Yeti is still the default communication device. This fixed it. No more choppiness, everything seems to be fine. And might I remind you guys, this is not a definitive fix. There might be other issues out there, but I just want to tell you, this is what helped fix my issue. Okay? That is all. That is all.